Hey, welcome to your review channel. Do appreciate you stopping by for this iRobot Roomba E6. We're going to go through it unboxing. We're going to put the camera on it like you see here. We're going to see all kinds of cool footage. It's going back and forth, all kinds of cool stuff. So stay tuned to the full video. You're going to watch it on hardwood floors. We're going to do everything, see how it works. This is your review channel. Stay tuned for the total unboxing and watching how this robot works. Let's go to the video right now.
Talking about the iRobot Roomba. So this is basically the model E6, so it's E6198 is the model number. Again, the E6 Roomba robot. We're going to put it through its paces. We're going to test it on hardwood floors. We're going to test it on carpeting. We're going to see what kind of dirt we get out of it, what kind of dust, how long it lasts, things like that. We're actually going to put an actual camera on top here. We're going to see the path, how it goes. Here's a little camera that we're going to mount on top of the Roomba, and we're going to see how it goes and kind of watch the footage and just see how it runs and how it handles different obstacles. And then we're going to go basically look at the product itself. We'll do unboxing, take a look at everything and see how it runs. Alright guys, stay tuned for this one. Do appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate that very much as well. And let's get into the unboxing of the Roomba E6.
And the back of the box, let's take a quick look at it. So it comes with 2 virtual walls and also 2 filters, air filters for the actual Roomba itself. Comes with batteries, and we'll take a look at all that as well. So that's what it comes with, and complete package. Also, it is Wi-Fi enabled, and we'll show you how to do that as well. Hook up your Wi-Fi. You have to make sure you use a 2.4 network. You can't use a 5 gig network, and let's get into the rest of the video. Okay, so let's open up the box here, and as you can see here, we have the brand new iRobot E6, nicely packaged as always. There's the one clean button that you do press. There's also a spot clean button as well. This is the Wi-Fi enabled model, so you can hook up the Wi-Fi to this as well, and you can control your robot. So far so good. Nice quality. I like the build on it. There's a rubber that picks up the dust and the dirt. Okay, and this is the sweep arm that swivels and gets the corners. And that really works very well. If you see the other iRobot features, they're really a nice quality product all around. Heavy quality. It's got a 2-hour battery life, and also when it gets low on its own, it will go to the base station and recharge itself automatically. So you don't have to worry about that. You can set the schedule up and have it clean once or twice a week. It'll just recharge itself and just keep going over. All you have to do is empty the little bucket right in the back here, and that's all you have to do. So it's pretty easy to handle, pretty easy to manage. The one thing I didn't like about it, it was kind of loud. So on a 2-story, I have a condo, and it's very loud when I was downstairs. That was the only drawback. It was like wicked loud. Maybe in the carpet, not as much, but on hardwood floors, I found it noisy. But packaging is excellent. Here's the instruction manual. It tells you what's in the box. 2 virtual walls, like I said. Batteries are included with that, and also an extra. I don't know if I think it's a HEPA filter or an extra filter inside as well. So it comes with one installed, and it gives you an extra filter as well in the actual kit. And also the charging docking station. It also comes with that as well. So when you do receive the Roomba, you do have to let it charge. It is not charged when you receive it. So you do have to charge it. So when you take it out of the box, just set it on the base and automatically detect it and automatically charge it. Pretty quick charging as well. So I would imagine it's a fast charger. And the battery, like I said before, does last 2 hours. On the single charge, approximately. Could be a little bit less depending if it's doing carpeting or hardwood floors, I'd imagine, depending on the load of the actual motor. And let's open up the accessories. And very well packaged and very well designed. It was nice design. So you see here the virtual walls, batteries, and this is the plug for the charger that plugs into the base. You just put that in the corner, and that'll just get that rocking and rolling when you put the unit down. And the virtual walls are so small. They're getting smaller every year. I mean, the first ones that came out, they were like huge bricks. Now they're just getting so tiny. And it's got 2 settings on it. So it's got a straight setting, so you can do a straight wall, or you can do almost like a half moon. So let's say you have some pets and you want to surround, that you don't want the Roomba to go near that. You'll just make a half moon right around. You put it right between like the water and the food, let's say, you have cats or dogs, and it'll avoid it totally altogether. And there's the extra filter. You can see this so small. Look at how small everything is. It's crazy. Look at this, right in my palm of my hand. A virtual wall and a filter. Okay, so I want to talk about the actual app itself. So download the app on the iOS device, and then you have to hook it up, and make sure you hook up to 2.4 network. That's how it works. It will not connect unless you hook up to 2.4 first, and then you can connect it to your Roomba. It has everything. You can set the jobs up. You can set the calendar up. You can set how long it cleans for. It tells you everything. You can set up a schedule. So this is the app. Really easy to use. Press the button, clean, and then it goes. And that's how the app works. Real simple. Not much to talk about with this, but it's really nice to have. All right, let's get into the rest of it. Okay, so the virtual wall, again, basically fairly simple. The 2 AA batteries that are included in the kit. Just install those batteries, and once you put them in, you'll notice there's a switch on the back. And again, I was talking to you about this before. It's either a straight line like a wall, or you can do like a half moon. So if you have animals, you have pets, and you want to protect a 3/4 area, let's call it, it'll do that. And you can hit the switch. It tells you it's on. It flashes. You know it's working. So this is really easy, and the virtual, it's really small, so be careful of that. You don't want to step on it. It's like it can get lost. It's really tiny, but nice quality, good build. All in all, I think it's excellent to have. You know, it does have also detection on the robot itself, so it won't go off the cliff, so you don't have to put one on the stairs at all, so you don't have to worry about it falling down the stairs. So it does have edge detection, I guess they call that, at the end, so it won't go over any stairs. So that's what that is. So the walls are good for having like other rooms. You want to block off a room, you want to block off a certain area. That's what they're for. All right, let's get into the rest of it. Hey guys, just want to take a second just to say please like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying this review. I do appreciate that. That does show my channel lots of love, and I do appreciate that. Let's get into the rest of the unboxing. Okay guys, so this here is a hat. This is almost like a latch. So there's a little button right here, and it just slides open, like almost like a half moon. So you just kind of pivot it right out, and that's where you empty the trash for your Roomba. That's where your dust is. This little dust bin in the back. So it slides right in, slides right out. Really simple. Okay, and then when you open it up, you basically there's a filter. Like I said, it comes with 2 filters. So it has one already pre-installed, and it does come with the second one. And I'm pretty sure, I wouldn't doubt it, they probably are washable, so you can probably reuse them many times. There's a little button right there, and that's how you open up the inside of it, and that's how you empty your dirt out once it's done cleaning, and that's how you just dump it out like that. Basically, that's it. Make sure you clean it out, and you can wash this out as well. Same thing. Really easy. Good design, right? Push the button, empty it out, put it back in, and then when you're done, make sure that's clear of debris. Make sure everything is clear, and then you just pop it right back in like this, and you continue. Okay, so now I'm just going to place it down on the actual charger itself, as you can see here, and it just starts going into not clean, actually it goes into a charge mode, and you can just see it right there. A little beep came on, and now we're starting to charge, and then we'll just wait till it charges, and we'll run it through its paces. So what I decided to do is put this small camera on top, so I really wanted to get a bird's eye view what the Roomba is kind of seeing in front of it, so we can kind of see the obstacles, how it goes around it, how it navigates, and it's a little dizzying, I must say, so I'm going to caution you, if you don't like dizzying rides, don't watch it, but I just really wanted to get the idea of looking at it. So let's start it up, and let's at least get a quick start, take a look at it and see what it does. Goes into a quick, I just want to do a quick turn, just want to see how it docks again, take a look at that. So we'll watch. Now you can see it's wicked loud. I really wanted to keep the audio on for this. You can see why I was dubbing over this. It's really loud. But I want you to watch and just see how this docks. And that's how it docks. I wanted you to see some on the ground footage what the Roomba does. So you can see it's just getting closer to the item, the little bounce, it's got a little bounce sensor or bump sensors, and it kind of twists and it kind of turns and it goes to the next area, but it kind of maps out the room so it knows where it's been and where it has to go. So this is what it looks like on the ground. If you're sitting on top of the Roomba, this is what you would see if you were driving this thing. So I think it's kind of a cool shot, something different. You know, it's a little dizzying, so I do warn you that it does a lot of that turning and twisting kind of thing. So I get dizzy watching it. So that is just my warning to you. So if you don't like teacup rides when you were a kid, don't watch the video. But that's what it is. This is exactly what it does, and this is how it actually navigates through the room. And this is pretty much what it does on the ground. But I thought it was interesting to see. What do you think? Any comments or any questions? Leave some comments below. Tell me if you have it or which one you do have. Let me know. I appreciate that as well. If you have something else you like or something you use better, let me know. Also, like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit, as you all know. I do appreciate that very, very much. And also, if you have something that you want me to review, something specific that you're having trouble with, let me know below in the comments, and I'll be glad to help you and actually assist you if you need any help at all. That's what we do here at the review channel. We try to help people and actually look at items and give a fair and accurate representation. You know what we think and how it functions and how it works, and that's pretty much it. So continue watching this a little bit. It just goes around the room, does its own thing. The ground footage is a little nauseating, a little dizzying, so I'll just leave this a little bit like this, and we'll just continue watching it until it finishes up. Okay guys, this is going to do it for me. This has been running, it's going to run for about 2 hours, like I said, total with battery time. This ran about 1 hour and 10 minutes to finish the room. A little long in my opinion, but it did a decent job. Let's take a look at the empty of the bin, see how dirty it looks, and then we'll finish up this review. Any questions or comments, leave below, and let's take a look at the bin. Alright, so I opened it up and you can see here the bin's not totally filthy. It wasn't that dirty, but it does pick up the dirt, as you can see. It looks like a lot of lint, but pretty much a lot of dust. Alright guys, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate that, and I'll see you at the next review.